reporting live from the offices of the Premier League Clubs Association in Jamaica, the PLCA, where wild celebrations have continued all through the night as the PLCA basks in the glory of Montego Bay United and their cantankerous club president, Mr. Orville Powell, getting booted from the league by Arnett Gardens. Oh, you can hear the champagne popping inside this happy venue with all shouts of happy redance coming from the promoters of this party, the PLCA. Of course, you will remember that Mr. Powell has been a pain in the neck of the PLCA for the last 2 seasons. Protests and threats of boycotts, and this season wearing jerseys without the sponsor's logo. The PLCA are obviously very happy to see the back of Montego Bay United and their nagging club president, to rid themselves of the headache, at least for the rest of the season. Other high-profile guests are in attendance at these celebrations, including representatives of the sponsors of the league. We also saw some high-profile members of the Jamaica Football Federation in attendance, all in high spirits, sparked by the demise of Montego Bay United and Mr. Powell. We saw the PLCA vice chairman, Mr. Carvel Stewart, arrive earlier, and he was in full party mode as we tried to get a few comments from him. But Mr. Stewart's only response was that God not sleep, and the party turn up. And speaking of party turn up, you can hear the music pounding in the background. Oh yes, as the celebration seems to be stepping up a notch or 2 or 3. Yes. Reporting live from the big celebration party for the exit of Montego Bay United from the Premier League. This is the Maverick reporting for TVJ and Sports Commentary. Oh yeah!